How's it going, y'all? My neighbor's in for the weekend. He's wanting to slide out there and see if we might can catch a couple redfish. Y'all come along with us. Go see if we can make it happen. How many fish do you think we're gonna catch today?
We only had 3 last time. That'll be better. I don't know.
Caught 3?
Yeah.
All we need is 2.
And I'll tell you what, I'm not keeping a big one. Anything under.
Grass is on the surface, almost.
Yeah. Oh, it is a little deeper. It's a little deeper over here.
Yeah.
Got a little wind. It's gonna another hour.
I'll use that early. So he's getting the mullet cut up for us. That's what we're going to use for bait. Because we're not out here sport fishing today. He said he's got a menu to fill. So
Walk back.
so we're going straight to the mullet. We're going to get set up. We'll see y'all back in a few minutes.
Then I said, well, that's going to give us a little bit more. That low water pickup, I run all the way on it. It stayed.
Yeah, you did good because there wasn't no water under us. So we've got, y'all, got a piece of mullet. And this is a number 3/0 circle hook. We generally use a 2, but just going through the meat and coming up through that skin. And make sure you get the scales off your tip of your hook. Just chunk it up there. Close to the bank, you can get it under the bushes. Got an incoming tide, so stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Where you at?
There's some stuff picking out of it. I'm gonna throw over here. I might move in a little closer. Yeah, I think it's good. I like trout, bird key, but nobody's out there.
What had it?
He's on it. He's on.
Huh?
He's on it still.
Huh? Wrap around a rock or something?
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, the way it jumped, I thought maybe a snook. It red with it. A little sharp.
Yeah, whatever it was, wrap me around a rock. Come on.
You got plenty of bait, so don't hesitate to put that.
Well, y'all, not sure what that was, but we lost it.
taking you down. Probably. Oh, that's a good spot. Yeah, right there you go. That's perfect. That's a good spot. If you don't catch fish there, they're not here, I guarantee you. But they're not
That's
eating.
right. We don't catch one there, they ain't hungry.
That's right.
I hope y'all can see that dolphin right there. Yeah, that water under him. Get under.
It's almost like it's small redfish, something. But it's not like a pinfish. He kind of hits it, but like he's not eating it. He's kind of pecking away at it.
Well, that didn't take long here.
I feel pretty good. He gets some boxes. A little red, not too big. He's edible though.
Well, like I said, to me, 18 inches is perfect eating size redfish.
He may not be that big. Oh, you see?
That water's so dirty. Yeah, he might be 16.
Yeah, he. You know,
Good looking little fish. Awesome. You better measure him before you throw him.
I think so.
Throw him back.
Yeah, he's probably 17. Yeah,
Is he gonna fool us?
I'll be close. 17.
17.
Yeah.
I thought as more I looked at him, it looked like he was a little better than 16. Awesome. Good job.
One.
All right, y'all. That was the first one of the day, so at least we're on the board. This is our fourth stop. So water, it's just now starting to get right. Like I said, we didn't have any when we first got out here, but it's starting to roll in pretty decent. So we'll see what happens. Hold this.
Got some? That where mine was.
I thought I felt him pick it up and start back up this way of the island.
Yeah, usually they'll go around that corner. He's pretty good.
All day till I don't want it to.
That might be a little bit bigger there.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
he's a little better fish.
Yeah, I bet he's 22, 3.
Yeah, he's a good fish.
Yeah. All right. I don't know, am I filming this?
You don't like that boat?
I don't have a net. I got a boa grip.
Oh, he'll be ready.
Yeah.
He'll be ready to lay down in just a second.
Am I filming this?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just holding it up there.
Huh? Yeah, you got it.
Okay, well, I don't know.
Nice. Thanks.
Okay, I got a picture, I think.
Oh yeah.
I think. Really nice. Yep.
You got one on?
Oh yes, not a crab.
Huh?
A crab.
A blue crab? Double up, folks. Don't have to be the same species, I don't think. Be a double up. Awesome. Yeah, I thought, like I said, I felt him pick it up, and then he swam toward us. That gave enough time to get it. So,
Yeah.
good looking fish, y'all.
Yeah, it is. Nice fish.
Perfect.
Okay.
Awesome. So
All
that's
right.
one for the box. All we need is
Yeah.
one more.
We, what do you think? He's about 23?
I think he's 23. Yep. Right at 23. All right, y'all. We're gonna get this thing in the box and get some more bait out there. Hopefully, we can pick up one more. Make a short trip of it.
Good deal.
Stay with us.
Well, that makes me feel a little bit better.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Well, you probably will.
Oh, nice shot. Well, if he's in there, he's gonna eat that, or if he just ain't there. Same thing. Picked it up and swam toward the boat with it. I just kept picking up slack, picking up slack, picking up slack.
Yep.
The little fella. Got a little 17-inch fish.
I don't know. I think he may go 18.
We'll measure him. I think it's gonna be a little short. Yeah, they pick it up and swim toward the boat, and they swallow that thing.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, let's measure. Yep. 17 3/4. Awesome. Third fish of the day. 2 shorts and 1 keeper. All right, I'll retie. Oh, that's a nice fish.
Well, he's out there too, way down there too. When
He sure is. He acts like a pretty big fish.
About 5 years, I think.
Yeah, that's all it took for that water to get right.
Yeah.
So hopefully ain't oversized.
I don't think so. He may be 25. I don't think he's over there though.
He's gonna take you all the way around the boat. See how much grass he can get watered up on you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a pretty fish. Hold the rod.
I don't really need to do that.
That's some pretty, yeah, got some pretty spots on him.
Yeah. He took it. He swallowed that damn crap.
They all today been bad about swallowing. That's what we call caught fish right there, buddy. Nice.
How about that? Let's see. That's 2 big ones, 2 little ones.
Yep.
Same spot.
Yep.
Well, I'm not going to dig it out, but I'm going to keep him anyway. Perfect size. What do you think he is? He's probably...
Yeah, he's going to be 23.
Nope. 22.
22.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep.
How about that?
All right, man. Well, you're fishing with the best.
That's right. When you come fishing with the best.
I don't catch them, then I'll bite you. That's what I always said.
Awesome, y'all.
Well,
Guys,
that's really
just like that. I mean, when we first got out here, we realized pretty quick the water was still hadn't been coming in long enough. Super, super shallow. I mean, you saw the dolphin. He couldn't even get his back underwater. But 45 minutes later, makes all the difference in the world. I mean, we've probably got 8, 9, 10 inches of water in the last hour. And there you go. We caught 4 fish. 4 fish within 30 minutes. Awesome. Well, guys, we're gonna try a few more places just to kind of see if he's got some family coming in, and I'm gonna try a couple spots, see if it's holding any redfish, and then we're gonna head to the house. We'll see you back here shortly.
Mullet everywhere.
All right, y'all. Well, the pressure is off. We've got our fish. We're just gonna fool around out here now for a little while and see what else we can find. Well, I guess we could have put some water in the live well. We could have called them. I feel something bumping mine. Feeling raindrops? Oh yeah, nice fish.
Yeah, good. He didn't gut, not gut hook. I want to kill it. $22. 22 and a half, maybe.
He's a good fat one. Yep.
Oh!
Oh, he's ready to go.
Yeah, good on him. That's slimy. I should have used the boat lift.
Number 5, y'all.
Yep.
Yeah, they just starting to bite here in this.
I'm gonna turn it. Which one you do? You got one on?
Nah, I don't feel nothing pulling.
Oh, you want me to hold the camera? Oh, you're doing pinhole.
Yeah, no. It's all right, y'all. I'm pretty well covered in grass. I know. Oh, there he is.
Where were you? Over there?
Yeah.
You want me to film this?
Yeah, if you don't mind. The camera's sitting on the seat it's on.
Well, is it on?
Yeah, it's on. I was just fixing to set the rod down where I could adjust that, get y'all on a post somewhere. And he hammered it. I mean, literally was just fixing to set this rod down where I could clamp that on the T-top. He smoked.
Yeah, that's pretty. You got one over there. I want to tell you, I've seen a lot of mullet moving everywhere.
Good fish.
Oh, they whip you now.
I'm trying to wear him out before I bring him up here too close.
Is that short leader you're using?
Yeah. Yeah.
Redfish don't make no difference.
Nah.
You tie the hook on your regular line.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, they don't care.
Yeah, I done cut that leader off so short. If we caught a snook, it would never last.
Yeah, here he comes. I see him now.
Man, look at the copper color on that fish.
Yeah. Where has he been?
Looks like he just come from out of the backwaters with them dark colors.
Yeah. Could be in.
There he is, y'all.
Yeah.
Man, look at the color. That sun on that joker.
Pretty.
Wow. I mean, like a brand new penny.
Yep. Nice. Way to go.
Beautiful.
That's 6. Now we're tied.
Yep.
We can't go in tied.
Make sure they know we turned this fish loose. Reach in there and cut that so deep as you can get it.
Yeah, you can save as much as you can.
Well, this ain't gonna leave too much of it hanging out of his mouth. Perfect. All right, y'all. Awesome.
Oh, she's ready. I'll say, go another 15, 20 more minutes.
All right.
Got dinner.
It's 3 fish apiece in the last hour.
Got our limit for dinner today.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to retie again.
I'm gonna try around that corner.
I guess we're gonna try around this corner here. Yeah, without there biting, we're gonna have a little fun. Find some spots we can come back tomorrow. All right, y'all. I gotta retie once more.
Here's my mine instead of retying. Damn, God, my house. I was over there too. I was over there fishing too. It's probably that fish. That's not a big one, is it?
He didn't look very big.
No, I think he's small.
But he's another redfish.
Yep. Nice.
Well, they have been some mad fish, ain't they?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, a good size, good. I like, big ones are nice to catch, but I've come to the conclusion when I catch something like over 25, I'm not going to keep it. I want it 23. That's the size I like.
I mean, he is mad. Finally, one I don't have to cut my line. Another nice little.
Did he hit that pretty hard, or just kind of ate it?
I wouldn't say it was hard, but you know what I mean.
He bumped it.
Yeah, he bumped it pretty nicely. I mean, hook just fell out right there.
What's that, 7?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. 19.
Yeah, that's what I said. What I say, 19.
Yeah. Awesome, y'all.
Now you don't get a lot of fish. It tastes good. What you got? Okay, well, it's sweet.
There she goes. Awesome. All right. Number 7 for the day. You better catch one, or I'm gonna be telling everybody how I outfished you on your boat.
That's right. Yeah, I know it. But I was cutting bait all the time.
That's right. I had you cutting bait.
Driving the boat, you were just sitting down there.
I was all rested.
Yeah.
Awesome, y'all. Yep. It's been a beautiful little afternoon. Those sun's starting to sink low out there in the Gulf of America. Well, guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. Head to the hill. We'll see y'all back at the house. I'm gonna get them right here.
Oh, okay.
And there they are, y'all. Awesome afternoon.
Jeez.
Appreciate it, Lewis.
Listen, I enjoyed it too, man.
All right, y'all. I gotta get over here to the house and get some chicken on the grill before I get in trouble.
All right.
And we will see y'all on the next one. Appreciate it.